Hi everyone, welcome to this second episode of the series Step by Step Guide to Antarctica for the comfort minded tourist. Just like me, I was comfort minded, I was not an adventurer. So, in this video, you will see the exact location of where you go when you go to Antarctica. So, let's go and check it out. Now you might say, where am I going? Okay, because most of the time we don't have idea what actually Antarctica means for us, right? So you can see, I'm going to show you a video of, and we'll go to this map so you know where exactly you are going. So there is no sound in this video. So that is where you see this tail, that is where you are going. And this is the tail that you see when I'm moving my cursor. That is the tail. So basically that is a West Antarctica. You can see here it says West Antarctica and East Antarctica. So East Antarctica is the roughest part. It's hard, you can't go there as a human being. The researchers, they are there, but typically all this tourist part is on the western side of the Antarctica. So the easiest way to get Antarctica on this western side is from South America. So I'll show you the next map. See, you can see this arrow that points toward the Argentina and Chile. That is the shortest route you can imagine from Antarctica to any mainland. So that is where most of the people will be going. And you see all this peninsula, the whole tail that you see, that is where the most of the cruises roam around. All these tiny, tiny fingers you see, that is where we went all these places, okay? So that is where the King George Island is and everything is right there. And on the right side, you can see I put down India in the orange. That is where our Dakshini Gangotri is there, the first Antarctica expedition that India did in 1986. That is where they go three. But that's where not we are going. We are going basically in the Western Antarctica. And there are other ways, you can go through the Ross Sea route if you're from Australia or New Zealand, people go from this route, Ross Sea. You see on the right lower corner, that is where you can go. And there are some explorers who probably go the whole circle around the Antarctica. And, they are brave people. I'm not that brave. And then there is the Weddell Sea ride. You see this Weddell Sea ride in the ball here. That is, you can go there too. But from the tourist perspective, where you're going, this is called Antarctic Peninsula. That is where everybody is going. Well, thanks for watching the video, and I'm sure you watched the first episode where I talked about what it takes to go to Antarctica, and in the next episode I'll be talking about when can you go. So don't forget to watch the next episode. But meanwhile, can I ask you one more favor, and can you hit that like and subscribe button below? And if you feel even more generous, feel free to comment so that we can keep in touch, and also share the video. So thank you for everything, and I'll see you in the next episode.